Hey guys, welcome back to Market Minds, and today's video we are discussing about the engulfing patterns. So this is the third part of the candlestick analysis, and in today's video, as I said, we are talking about the engulfing patterns. So what are engulfing patterns? So till now we have learned about single candlestick patterns. That means a single candlestick represents like dojis, hammers, inverted hammer, Marubozu, etc, etc. If you guys haven't watched those videos, I'll mention the link in the description. Kindly do watch the video and come back and watch this video. So in the first video we had discussed about the complete candlestick and the history about the candlestick. In second video we have discussed each single candle and its interpretation, and in the second video what I'm trying to explain is about the dual candle patterns. That means there are also an interpretation for two candles, and it is beautifully gives the results. All right. So without a further ado, let's get started. And today we are discussing about bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing. All right. So there are two types of engulfing patterns. That is, one is bullish and one is bearish. If you could see, this pattern would look somewhat like this. Not exactly as I said in before videos as well. The patterns will not look exactly the same, but somewhat similar to these patterns. And these are the perfect examples, if you would say. So let's understand the meaning of engulfing first. So most of you people might not be even knowing the meaning of engulfing. Okay. The meaning of engulfing is sweep over something so as to surround it or cover it completely, or powerful effect, someone overwhelming. All right. So what exactly is engulfing here? You see, so this is a bear pattern. So the bears have continuously tried to acquire the market. The next session, the bulls have completely covered the bears. The same vice versa happens here. The bull were continuously buying the market, and suddenly bear comes and surrounds the bull. All right. So this pattern typically works on a day candle, and it works wonderful on a daily basis candle, guys. Okay. So you see here, there is a continuous good downtrend. The market has been falling. In the last session, the market fell. And in the very next section, the market has engulfed. That means it has covered the bears. And now the bull trend continues. Okay, so the typical formation is the open and the close should cover by the next candle. So to show you better, I have here. Now you see the overview and the definition. A bullish engulfing pattern is a green candlestick pattern that closes higher than the previous day's opening, and after opening the lower of the previous day's close, it can be identified when a small red candlestick, a large green candlestick showing a bearish trend is followed the next day by a large green candlestick showing a bullish trend. The body which is completely overlaps or engulfs the body of the previous day's candle. So you see this previous day's open, previous day's close. It's a smaller body, and the next day the market opens and at a very higher price here. Let's assume it opens here, and it covers the open and close of the previous day's candle. Okay, so this has engulfed completely. That means the bears tried to sell the market, and suddenly the bulls came in action. They bought the market from every level. They're not letting the bears to control the market, and bears finally quit. They said, "Ab mujhse nahi hoga," and that's how the market becomes engulfed by bulls. So let's see that in a chart. If you see in the Reliance Industries chart, there's a good downtrend. The bears have been selling the market, and suddenly there's an engulfing pattern here where the bulls attack the bears, and then you see here a complete bull trend. That means now once they attacked here, the bulls engulfed the bears, and then the market started going upwards the direction. You see this trend? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 7 sessions, the market was down. Once it started engulfing, then there's a small doji here, which did not affect the market, and bulls were continuous and rapid buying. Then there is a gap, and then again, there's a complete uptrend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sessions. For the next 10 sessions, the market was in complete bull trend, and bull took over the complete session. Now let's look at another chart. So this is a Synesis Pharmaceuticals. This is not an Indian stock, but a Nasdaq stock. It is listed in Nasdaq. That is a USA stock. You could see here a small downtrend, a very small downtrend, where bears try to sell the market, and then you see a good engulfing pattern here. See, that is what I told you. It will not always be as good as these patterns, not even these patterns, how you look, but you need to figure it out. That how do you figure it out? By seeing the charts every day. You analyze the market, that the patterns get exercised to your eyes, they get used to your eyes, and that is how you can figure it out. And in investing.com you can easily figure it out, because this kind of, you see there's a small P, it automatically indicates that it is a bullish engulfing. So you can either use anyways for the time being, but always these are not accurate, guys. Better to trust your eyes than trusting these indicators. All right. So you see here, this is a bullish engulfing. Once it bulls engulfed the market, it rapidly went up for the next 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sessions. And 1, 2, 3, 4 sessions it was down, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sessions it was up. The market trended upwards, and then normally it fell down. Okay guys, I hope you guys are understanding what is bullish engulfing now. It is a very simple pattern, but a very strong pattern, guys. A small red candle, that means a bear candle is formed. The very next day, bulls enter the market, they engulf. Engulf means cover the bears, and then they take over the market from there for the next sessions towards upwards. That is bull trend. Okay guys, now let's understand bearish engulfing. It is a vice versa, same thing. Now let's assume the market is going up, up, up and up. The same definition, guys. A bearish engulfing pattern is a red candlestick that closes higher than the previous day's open after the opening lower than the previous day's close. It can be identified when a small green candlestick showing a bullish trend is followed the next day by a large red candlestick showing a bearish trend, the body of which is completely overlaps or engulfs the body of the previous day's candlestick. Now you know these definitions are very technical, guys. Do not get confused or crack your head. Just ignore the definition. I just had to write because to fill the presentation, that's it. But I'm going to explain you in a very simple words. See, there were in the last bullish engulfing, this was in red, this was in green. It is vice versa here. What is happening? There is a good uptrend. Market has been bought by the bulls and continuously, and there's small formation is formed. The very next day, bears come into the market, they start selling the market, and they take control over the market. They do not allow bulls to enter the market, and thus a bearish engulfing forms. The same thing what I explained in bullish, it is a vice versa. It is an opposite thing what happens where bears take control of the market after a bull trend. Now let's look at in the chart. Now we're looking in a Nifty 50 index chart. There's a good uptrend. The bulls have been buying the market. Then you see the small close, and the next day you see bears have entered the market, and there's nowhere they have let the bulls enter the market. And you see the next session, the market fell and it kept on falling. And it kept falling. So the better place to enter the market, guys, I'll tell you how. Once this whole pattern comes, what you need to do is you need to wait for this session to get close and then buy lower from this. If I would be in your place, where would be my entry? My entry would be somewhere here. This would be my entry and this would be my stop loss. The higher of this particular candle, I'll keep a stop loss and I'll enter here and I'll wait for my target for the next support. And I might exit somewhere here. Or even if I'm taking a risk because my stop loss is somewhere here, then I will wait for this whole session. Then once this session has come down here somewhere, I'll trail my stop loss to this high somewhere between here, and then I'll wait the candle to again see. I can trail my SLs again, and I could book here. But technically it is not possible. But few risk takers might take that position, but some people might exit somewhere here itself, guys. Because once this has made an higher high, I might exit somewhere here, but still that is a good entry. Always remember, let this candle close, then take an entry below that. So it is always, some risk takers might take entries here itself. Sometimes what happens, it might reverse from here when the bulls or any fundamental news is so strong behind the stock. So that might pull back the market and the bull trend can again continue. So always wait for the confirmation. The best way to wait for the confirmation is let this candle get closed, then it opens it a little bit lower. That means it is a confirmed trend and then you can take a trade. Okay. Let's see another chart. Okay, this is a beautiful thing which has formed in Nifty Bank. This is a beautiful bullish, bearish engulfing. A good uptrend, a small uptrend of 3 sessions, then bears entered the market, then they shorted the market, and the whole market has fallen from here. So again, the same thing, I might take the position here, the lower this candle, somewhere here, it will be my entry, and I'd wait, my sell would be somewhere above this, and see, this whole thing I would have easily booked. So it is a very simple candle, just you need the practice to understand the pattern, then take the decision. Always have a volume confirmation as well, but as you guys are new into the market, what I would suggest is wait. I will also come with volume confirmations and how to take a perfect entry and exit in the markets. And I guess you guys are understanding what is bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing, guys. And in the upcoming lessons, I'm going to teach you another dual patterns like tweezer tops, tweezer bottoms, bullish harami pattern, bearish harami patterns. So these will be in the upcoming classes. So do subscribe and also share this video with your friends and family. Also do comment where we need to improve if you have any problem in understanding any sort of lessons. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. Our website is www.marketminds.com. Our phone number is 6360560767. If you have anything, you can also mail us at info@marketminds.com. There is almost every part of the financial markets which we are trying to cover. You can always mail us if you need any particular topic which need to be covered. We'll be happy to put that. And also do comment if you have missed something. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.